Hi, I'm Jen Long, Creative Director at Sizzix, and I'm here to share our Sizzix Texture Boutique Value Kit. This kit includes our Texture Boutique Machine, which is used for embossing, and it is paired with several different folders that give you great options for creating all over embossing or sentiment embossing. So let's take a look at what's included. We have some all over stripes and scallops. We have beautiful intricate flower designs, all over simple flower patterns, all over polka dots, some beautiful rose all over designs. This one is a succulent flower. This is interesting where it's only about 3/4 of the folder. And this folder comes with a variety of different sizes and includes sentiments. So let's take a look at how the machine is used. This is one of our embossing folders, and you're simply going to insert your piece of paper into the embossing folder. Then you're going to pick up the included embossing pads that come with the machine, and you're going to create your embossing sandwich. The instructions are clearly labeled on each pad. You're going to insert this into the Texture Boutique machine, and you're going to start turning the handle. And you're going to roll the folder all the way through. And when you finish, you're going to see that a beautiful embossed pattern has been embossed all over the paper. To emboss in a various size, you do the exact same thing. So you can see that some of the smaller folders included, one has a sentiment of thinking of you, one has you make me smile, some of them are just a little bit smaller, but you emboss them the exact same way. Simply insert into the machine and roll the handle. How pretty is that cute little bird embossed all over there? We can take a look over here at some of the projects that we've made. Embossing really does lend itself to a lot of great inking techniques. Makes for all over backgrounds. Again, we can see the little sentiment popping up. Here we've added some gold to the raised edges on top of some pink and blue ink. And this one's interesting. We've embossed the all over background pattern, inked it, and then cut this into squares and layered it on top of each other to give it a little bit more of a dynamic effect. So the variety of different designs, embossing folder sizes, and the Texture Boutique machine make up our Sizzix Texture Boutique Value Kit.